You know, one thing that people usually get confused about is whether or not they need to add a new email address to their hosting like Bluehost or GoDaddy in order to add them also as a user in Zoho. And you don't. Once you've set up your domain in Zoho 1, for example, you do not have to add them to your hosting or add that email address. You can just add them directly into Zoho 1 or Zoho Mail. And so in Zoho 1, all you would do is go into the settings, click to add a new user, enter the name, and then you can either create or generate a password and then add. And that is it. Don't have to add it to your hosting or anything of that nature. And then Sally can go in and she can access Zoho Mail. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments. If you would love to learn more, then go to learn.successfulsolutions.com.